Meaning of emotional.
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 Emotional. Emotional refers to the expression or experience of strong feelings and emotions. These can include a wide range of subjective experiences such as joy, sadness, fear, anger, and love. Emotional states can be influenced by various factors such as personal experiences, relationships, social context, and cultural background. People often express their emotions through verbal communication, body language, and facial expressions. Emotions can have both positive and negative outcomes on individuals and their relationships with others, and they can shape one's overall sense of well-being.